Assalamu alaikum everyone. This is one of my recent full stack projects, an event booking platform in which you can create different events and other users can create bookings in those events. On the home page, you can see some of the events that I have already created, and let's open one of them. Let's say this one. And here you can see complete details of this event, the banner, overview, event details, some agenda items, organizer information, and the tags. On the right side, you can see a button to book reservation in this event. So if I click on this, a pop-up says you must be signed in to book an event. So you must have an account. If you don't have an account, just click on sign up, add your information, and you are good to go. So I already have an account. Let me just sign in. After signing in, let's open this events again. You can see this icon here which pops up my account information. So this time when I click on this button, book this event, it says thank you for signing up, which means my booking is created in this event. Now about the creation of events. So if your account is organizer account, which you can just create by scrolling down and checking this option, sign up as an organizer. If you create account with this option checked, then you can actually create new events which other users can create booking in. So my account is already organizer account, so let me sign in. And now when I click on this create event button, I get to create event scheme. So let's add some information about the event. Let's also add a banner image. I have this image over here. And let's click on create event. As you can see, it says event created successfully. So here you can see our newly created event is visible. You might see a slight delay on seeing your event over here because this application works on data caching, which helps improve performance, but also might show a little bit of delay. So let's click and open this. So you can see all the information of our event here, that event banner, event details, agenda items, and you can also see similar events over here, which of course you can click and open, browse these as well. And you can also create booking in this event. So if you notice on the top, you can see my events button. This actually shows all the events that I have created with this account. And you can click any one of these to view all the details of events. And right on the side of my events button, you can see my bookings, which actually shows all the events in which I have booked with this account. So all the events in which I have a reservation, I can see by just clicking on this my bookings. Here you can provide a feedback. These are my social links. So this was a quick walkthrough of my event booking application. I would really appreciate your feedback. It helps me improve my application. Thank you for watching.